Using contrasting finishes in a kitchen can seem like an intimidating concept, but that's why you work with our expert designers, right? Now, I know it's easy for me to say that, and that's a lot of trust that we're asking for from you, but don't worry. Even if you haven't been to our showroom or met with our team yet, we will build that trust together during our design and estimating process. Aside from our personal expertise, we have tools like material samples and render drawings so that you can better visualize that finished project. But today, we just want you to get more comfortable with the concept of combining finishes and textures. Not every client is ready to jump into the idea of a high contrast accent island or even using two different countertop materials. Don't worry, you do not need to be any bolder than you're comfortable with being. The overall goal of any kitchen or bath project with our team is for you to feel the most comfortable you can in your own home. It is your home after all. You and your partner, your family, not your parents, not the previous owners, and buckle up for this next one, not the next owners. It is your home. You deserve to be comfortable in it. For some, that means expressing themselves with bold patterns or colors. For others, they need a soothing single color palette. This can certainly change from room to room depending on your needs for the space. Today, we're speaking specifically about kitchen spaces. Most kitchen designs we work on include many different finishes, all combined to create a completed design. And if you follow us on our social media posts or browse our projects online, you will notice many of them include contrasting finishes to achieve that look. No matter your own personal taste, today we want to show you examples from our own projects and simplify their success down to just two terms. Those two terms are balance and contrast. Recognizing these elements can help you decide what you may be most comfortable with exploring for your own project with us. Okay, so balance. Have you ever heard of the term visual weight? Even if you haven't, you've certainly experienced it. Think of a living room or a family room. Something like a sofa or maybe a piano or even the TV. Those items take up more space visually than, say, an end table or a stack of magazines. If you put up a Christmas tree in your home, here's another example. If you were to take a corner of a room where you normally keep a basket of blankets and put up your tree there, that Christmas tree is certainly going to make a much bigger impact on the space than just that basket did. Visual weight. Balance in the design of a space means that the visual weight of certain elements have been countered with other choices to help the overall space find a balance that feels right. A well-balanced space should in reality feel easy to spend time in, effortless, comfortable, all things we want out of a kitchen, right? But a well-balanced space in your home does take effort. And again, don't worry, that's why we are here with you as you make decisions to help distribute that balance. Now, contrast in design speaks to when you introduce and invite in opposing elements as a way to add interest. Contrast helps to disrupt a finished space in a good way that grabs your attention. In fact, contrast can even be a way to help point attention to some place that you want it to go. And this contrast can hit at different frequencies, again, with whatever you're comfortable with. And a contrast doesn't have to be made using only bold colors. It can also be achieved using shapes, size, and textures. And friends, textures are a great way we can play with contrast in a kitchen or a bathroom space. So for our customers who are drawn to a more muted or monochromatic space, our team may still suggest using a variety of textures as a way to still help bring some contrast and interest into your design. If your countertop and wall tile are the same color, we may suggest an interesting tile pattern as a way to draw attention to the texture change without throwing it a big parade with a bold contrast. The Village Home Stores team will help you introduce as much contrast as you are comfortable with. And then we will help you balance those selections out. So now for some more examples. Let's consider where you can add interest with finishes in the kitchen design. A very common application is the relationship of your kitchen cabinets to the countertop surface you select. Cabinets and counters are two main elements in any kitchen design, and they represent a lot of surface areas to be covered by a finish. To add interest here, you can install a medium or a dark cabinet finish with a contrasting lighter countertop material, or vice versa. And this is not a groundbreaking or bold concept, right? This is one many people can get on board with and most can immediately picture. But let's pull back just slightly and now consider the flooring surface. Now we've introduced a third surface to consider. Truth is, flooring is often forgotten or selected last, but it's important to realize how much flooring surface will be showing in your space. So include it in the dialogue about your kitchen finishes, and it will help us find that overall balance. And you can do this when your flooring complements your cabinet finish or the countertop finish, or perhaps it's a third element that's entered the chat. Again, don't fret. This is why our flooring showroom is in the same location as our kitchen cabinet showroom, so we can make all these selections together in one location. Another common location for using contrasting finishes is the kitchen island. This can be done by introducing a new cabinet finish or a countertop selection, or perhaps both. Don't want to commit to a full kitchen in a dramatic green or blue paint? Just go for it on that island. That one punch of contrast will make a big impact without overtaking the entire room. Kitchen islands are also a great candidate for introducing a new material for a countertop. If you're looking to install a piece of character granite or maybe a wooden butcher block top, highlight that choice by installing it onto a new island cabinet finish below. Showcase a bold, unique piece of natural stone at the center of a kitchen and balance that with a more subtle surface for the perimeter tops. But not every kitchen can fit an island, and perhaps just one section of contrast cabinets isn't enough to balance the whole space. That brings us to the latest trend in cabinet contrast application: bases and uppers. Using one cabinet finish for the base cabinetry and installing another for the wall cabinetry. This is typically done with the same door style and often combines a stained wood grain with a painted finish. Taller cabinet sections that include elements like refrigerator surrounds and tall pantries have the option to pull from either of these finishes. Here are some examples of a kitchen design using a combination of the bases and upper cabinets, and also the wall of the kitchen design with the taller elements. Again, the main kitchen combination and the wall with larger elements. This brings us back to the visual weight term. Taller, larger items in a darker finish will hold a heavier look. So keep that in mind when considering the overall space. Deciding which finish goes where may be decided when you find a flooring surface you love. Do you want the base cabinets to blend in with the floors or contrast with them? I love this example of a flooring and base cabinetry pairing so well with each other. It visually grounds the floors to the kitchen cabinets. Then once your eye hits the countertop plane, the contrast begins from there up. And don't forget that cabinet hardware is typically part of a series of hardware. So that means we can order the exact same handles and knobs in contrasting finishes. You can keep the same hardware story going, but add interest with a different finish on each cabinet finish. As you start to narrow down your material selections for your project, your designer will help create that balance for the overall project vision. We want you to have a space that is exciting but inviting, impressive but comfortable, and trust me, all that is possible, and we are here to help you do just that.